Good morning. On the weekends, I usually wear Lolita fashion. While I know every Lolita's lifestyle is at least slightly different, I wanted to share what a day in my life is like. Usually I start my morning off by weighing in and then getting dressed, but obviously I'm already wearing clothes for obvious reasons. I've recently lost a lot of weight, so I'm trying to find my ideal intake for maintenance with my regular amount of movement. Aren't my new house slippers cute? I plan to replace the leather string with ribbon. My makeup is really simple because I don't like to spend a lot of time on it. If I plan to be in the sun, I use a BB cream with SPF. Then I use some eyeshadow, mascara, and some lipstick or a lip gloss. I finish up with a spritz of perfume. I love to drink tea in the morning, and since it's the weekend, I don't have to rush off to work. I'll enjoy this cup while I study Japanese. I'm currently trying the Renshu app. I don't know if I like it yet. Now to add accessories. There, much better. I've got a little pearl bracelet and a Tamagotchi ring that matches the Tamagotchi that's in my other hand. And of course, I made and designed the lace myself. Next, I spend some time tidying up my office. I spend most of my free time here working on my business and studying, so it's important to feel comfortable and relaxed. Now I'm setting up to record the next section of an audiobook I've been working my way through. It's going to take quite a while to get all the way through it. It's much more of an endeavor than I expected, but I think it'll be worth it. Sorry, the camera got super blurry there. Since my favorite thrift store reopens today, I'm loading up my trunk full of donations. Since I park my car right outside of my office, I piled the donations up here to load into my trunk. There, isn't that so much better? Before I go, I start a load of laundry. I'll go ahead and just move it to the dryer when I get back. Dropping off donations. Bye-bye. And taking a look around the thrift shop. Putting on a podcast. Sticking everything in the dryer. And now it's snack time. I wanted kimchi and potato chips. I don't know why, but I really love this combination. Now I am designing some lace. I'm using a program called Inkscape. I don't know if I've touched on the video yet or not, but I have designed my own machine-made lace, and it was an undertaking, and I'm working on my second one now, and that is also an undertaking. Now to take care of my Tamagotchi. I've also been watching Rosen Maiden and was recently inspired to fix up my ball-jointed doll's wig while I watched it. This took quite a while, but was definitely worth it, I think. With that done, I'm going to tat some lace. I'm working on a secret project that will hopefully be released soon, but knowing me, it'll probably take another year. So sorry about that if you were excited about a big project. I did this for quite a while, so you can see how quickly it's been sped up. And now I'm starting to grow sleepy, so I go ahead and put everything away, and I get changed and hit the hay. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.